On the majestic shore of the largest alpine lake in North America lies a boutique hotel, the Edgewood Resort Lake Tahoe. The Edgewood offers a luxurious spa, several dining options, a legendary golf course, and access to world-class skiing and outdoor activities. The property in South Lake Tahoe was first settled about 150 years ago by the Park family, who were cattle ranchers. In 1968, the Edgewood Golf Course was created, and for decades it has attracted golfers of all skill levels. The course has even hosted a variety of national tournaments, including the annual American Century Championship. The 154-room hotel was inspired by old lodges of national parks and was unveiled to the public in 2017. The lodge combines a cozy cabin-in-the-woods vibe with a modern refinement and world-class amenities, while the surrounding grounds offer lots of activities, such as golf, pools, spa, lakeside games, fire pits, and opportunities for learning about fishing, archery, and more. We'll tell you later on in the video about our impressions and the experience that we had while staying at the Edgewood Resort in late June of 2025. But for now, let's get on to the room tour. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to our channel so that we can share more of our Trees and Seas travel experiences with you. We stayed in room 232, which is a Tahoe Premiere room. The first thing you'll notice when you walk through the door is this pretty wooden partition that sort of resembles the Edgewood logo. To the right is a bench and a large mirror. And straight ahead are these tall cabinets with plenty of space to store all your clothes and shoes. Down on the bottom here is a refrigerator. And the cabinet to the left has two nice heavy robes that are super cozy. I'm sure they're great for when it's snowing in Lake Tahoe. You've got your safe and a steamer, an iron, more storage down below, some slippers, and the ironing board is off here to the right. And as we pan around towards the whole room here, you can see just how big it is. Off to the left there's a seating area, and it just so happened to be near our anniversary, so they left us these confections and a nice little ornament. On the left-hand side of the bed, you've got your phone, notepad and pen, charging outlets, light switches, and a nice deep drawer. And I have to say, this bed was very, very comfortable. Straight across from the bed is a bar area. You've got your ice bucket, wine glasses, an espresso machine, and they left these two little water bottles that have water with electrolytes, which is really nice. The altitude's pretty high in Tahoe, so it's helpful. Down below you've got more cabinet space, kind of pretty artwork here on the cabinet, and a very nice sized TV. And panning around to the other side of the bed, you'll see, again, you have your drawer and charging outlets, light switches, and an iPad, which can be used for finding out more hotel information and billing and that kind of thing. Plenty of seating here. A pretty fireplace that looks straight through to the bathroom, which is kind of cool. And as we walk into the bathroom here, you'll see a nice deep soaking tub, plenty of towels, and a cute little tray that you can use to, keep a nice glass of wine or water on as you're bathing. A menu for extra bubble bath things and you can order. As you look out the window, there's a beautiful view of the beach and the golf course. Pretty barn doors that are the closures for the bathroom. Double vanity. Lots of amenities, including toothbrush, shaving kit. You've got your soaps and lotions, hair dryer, nice makeup mirror, plenty of towels. And in these little canisters are Q-tip swabs and cotton pads. Going over here towards the shower, you'll see you've got mouthwash on this side, a scale, and you can see just how pretty and large this bathroom is. The shower's sort of unique. On one side you've got your full tile shower, and of course they provide shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Very nice water pressure, a little bench seat in there, and on the other side is the toilet. Coming now back into the bedroom area, you can see as you pan around here just kind of how spacious this room is, and you've got your magazine, and yes, that's a real live plant, super cute. And look at this view, such a pretty view. As you walk out onto the patio, this patio is actually on a corner, so to the left you can see the mountains, the villas, the golf course, the beach, the lake, the mountains. And to the right there's a nice little seating area. What a beautiful view. This is actually the 9th fairway, and it was really fun to watch people come up and play there. Nice seating with a cute little wooden stump table, and we just absolutely love the Tahoe Premiere room. Our experience at the Edgewood Resort was truly exceptional. In our opinion, this resort is the perfect balance of luxury and comfort. The hotel was very clean, the grounds were immaculate, the food was great, and the views of the lake are something that we will never forget. I should mention that the servers were very friendly, but the service was a bit slow in both restaurants. However, we were there the week before the celebrity golf tournament, and the seasonal staff had just been hired that week and were still being trained, so I don't think it's normally like that. We'll leave you now with some pictures of the meals that we had at the Edge Restaurant and Lounge and the Brooks Bar and Deck. Thank you so much for watching our Trees and Seas travel experience at the Edgewood Resort in Lake Tahoe.